here it is, the Dell Dimension XPS D300. I had this computer for a while, but I never got around to making a video for it. So here it is, a video. And when I originally got this computer, it did not have that blue case fan. That's something I added. And that was the little Easter egg I was talking about, because I thought it was kind of, spectacular or neat that I added my own case fan. And when I originally got this computer, it ran Windows Millennium on 9GB hard drive with 64 megabytes of RAM. And Windows Millennium was bad on 200 and some odd megabytes of RAM, and pretty slow too. I can tell you that from experience because I have a HP Vectra down there that runs Windows Millennium. And so I wiped the hard drive, tried NT on here. NT did not work, so I just put 98 on here. And it works pretty well. And I also put in some more RAM, about 198 megs worth of RAM. So actually this thing could run XP. I think it meets the minimum requirements. But I'm not going to put XP on this thing. It's going to run 98. So here's an error right here. I can't launch something about Microsoft or something or other. I got the wireless adapter, a Netgear WPN 111 wireless adapter to work in Windows 98. Originally, when Windows Adapter was shipped out, it supported Windows 98, but time after time, when the driver got updated, they phased out support for Windows 98. Luckily, though, I was able to go to Netgear's website and download the driver for it. So now I got this thing working Windows 98 with the utility, and my little screen is here, and so is my wonderful moon-like unicorn. I'll show you where I get all my unicorn pictures in a minute. Let's open up Firefox. This is Firefox 2 point something. Pentium 2 runs at 300 megahertz. It's actually pretty fast about running things. I like this a lot. Okay, so go to Unicorn Wallpapers and scroll down, and here it is. I go to a website called unicornlady.net. There you go. And that's where I get all my unicorn pictures. And they are too. So if you're ever looking for some really neat unicorn pictures, I suggest you go there. They have two sizes: 800 by 600 pixels, and 1024 pixels by 768 pixels. Alright, so let's go to my computer. This video handles Flash video pretty good. Hold on. Let's go down to System. 192 megabytes of RAM on a Pentium 2 processor. Registered to me. So, close that out. Close that out. I'd like to show you some Flash video, but I can't really think of anything off the top of my head. I don't think this thing will go to YouTube. Let's try it though. While I'm here, I have the Adobe Flash Player for it, so it may just work. My browser is no longer supported. Oh yeah, I could do Opera on here. I can do the latest version of Opera on here. Let's see if I'll actually play a video though. Type in Unicorn Guy. It's kind of hard for me to move around with this mouse because I'm trying to move around my pants on my pant leg. So now, what's going on here? Go right here. See if it'll load, or it'll give me an error. Oh, it's loading. Video is slow. It's watchable. So yeah. It's watchable. So I don't want to spend too much time on this computer. Oops. Didn't mean to do that. So all in all, this is a wonderful computer. I rather like this machine. And if you see one out and about, go ahead and pick it up, because I think it's worth it. I would love the upgrade to hard drive, or put a second hard drive in and just leave that one as the main. That may be a Fujitsu, but it's a really quiet hard drive, so I assume that's not going to die on me anytime soon. And the case fan is a wonderful addition. It's actually so cool inside the computer that it's not telling the case fan that's already inside to cool the computer. And the speed is adjustable on this thing. Let me go right here and grab it. See, it's in the lowest setting now. There's the middle setting. And here's the highest setting. I'll just go ahead and put it back to low, because I'm not using this thing to do any PC gaming or anything extravagant like that. I might just buy another one and put it and mount it close to the hard drive. What I'd really like to do is do a case mod on this thing where it still has the original case, but it has, like, slits in it so that the blue light can come out and it'll look really spectacular in the dark. Right now it's not dark enough to do that because it's only 2:02 p.m. in Chicago. But yeah. Thanks for watching, though. And I hope you enjoyed this little computer.